आजकल के समय में और खास तौर से लॉकडाउन के दौरान एक ही चीज ने इस दुनिया को बांधे रखा है और वो है टेक्नोलॉजी। कोविड के टाइम पे एक दूसरे से जुड़े रहने के लिए हम सभी ने अलग अलग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स का इस्तेमाल किया, आईपैड, लैपटॉप्स, मोबाइल फोन, और इन सब को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं पासवर्ड का, और अपनी तरफ से बहुत ही डिफरेंट और बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट पासवर्ड रखने की कोशिश करते हैं। लेकिन आपको ये जानकर हैरानी होगी कि टॉप 2 मोस्ट कॉमनली पासवर्ड्स इन दिस वर्ल्ड आर पासवर्ड एंड 1 2 3 4 5 6। सीजन 1 of जाने अनजाने is about some of the stalwarts of the security industry, and cyber is the most critical part of it in recent times. India, being the global hub of technology, has some of the best cyber security professionals in the world. साइबर की दुनिया में जुड़े कुछ लोगों के किस्से कहानियां लेकर उनके साथ in their own style, in their own fashion, in their own swag, we bring to you जाने अनजाने मेरी कहानी मेरी जुबान। Welcome to the 9th episode of season 1 of जाने अनजाने with me Rajiv Mathur. Our guest today is a 3rd generation defense officer who dedicated his 25 years of youth to the country, and at the peak of his career in the uniform decided to become a bread provider than a bread earner. A veteran and a well-known name in the field of cybersecurity, Director General of Cyber Security Association of India and Chief Cyber Security Officer of Vara Technology, Colonel Inderjeet Singh Barara, जाने अनजाने में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत और हम अभिनंदन करते हैं।
थैंक यू राजीव जी, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है आपके टॉक शो में आने का, एंड आई एम रियली प्रिविलेज्ड टुडे एंड शेयरिंग माय लाइफ एंड माय थॉट्स आपके साथ। इट्स रियली वंडरफुल।
कर्नल साहब, आपसे जब 1-on-1 बात करते हैं तो आप इंग्लिश और पंजाबी का जो कॉम्बिनेशन करते हैं बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग होता है। तो जाने अनजाने में ये आपकी वीडियो ऑटोबायोग्राफी में आपका इंट्रोडक्शन आप हमें वैसे ही दीजिए प्लीज।
जैसे आपने मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन तुसी दिता, एंड आई एम रियली वेरी प्रिविलेज्ड तुसी ना मेरे बारे में दस्या। डेफिनेटली आई एम ए 3rd जनरेशन आर्मी ऑफिसर। आज मैं मतलब साइबर सिक्योरिटी दी कंपनी हेड करना, and it's really a privilege to head it after 25 years and from a defense life which was really wonderful.
सर, ये आप हमें बताइए कि ये साइबर सिक्योरिटी है क्या और आपका इंटरेस्ट इस फील्ड में कैसे हुआ और अभी तक का आपका सफर कैसा रहा?
राजीव जी, साइबर सिक्योरिटी एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर बन गया आज दी डेट विच, और वो आज नहीं शुरू होया 1-2 साल की साइबर सिक्योरिटी हुन आ गई हुई। It has started over a period of time, and if I look back my journey, I started my IT journey way back in 86-87. जदों साडे कोल we had a 286 in my house. That was a pretty big box of computer which I started, and thereafter we had first attack of the virus in 89. उसके बाद when we started seeing internet, and I have seen the journey of IT and the cyber, all throughout, length and breadth, newer technologies coming in, firewalls getting into, the kind of challenges which have started coming up, the way, hackers have started, working. Earlier, jadon vi virus aanda si, it was not disturbing. 6 months, 1 year, something would happen, then that's the end of it. Now it is every 6 minutes, every 1 minute, we are seeing one attack, or जो attacks बड़े complicated हो गए. The thing is that everybody is wanting money out of you. It's not just they're wanting to just do something or damage something. So it's getting a complex situation, and learning every day is very important. New methods जो cyber security, cyber attack दे हैगे वो change हो रहे हैं. So it's a thing which we have to be very careful about.
कर्नल साहब, आपने बताया जब हम बात कर रहे थे कि बचपन में आप MiG-21 की आवाज से जागा करते, तो अपने बचपन के बारे में, अपने पेरेंट्स के बारे में कुछ और बताइए।
या बिल्कुल, आपने मेरा जो मन की रग है वो उसको छेड़ा। एंड जब मेरे फादर साहब आर्मी में एयरफोर्स में थे, एंड वी वर ऑलवेज पोस्टेड ऑन द फाइटर बेसिस। जो MiG-21 हैं, MiG-23 है, वो फाइटर बेस बिल्कुल बॉर्डर के साथ होते हैं, और वो अपना इग्निशन ऑन करते हैं सुबह, इंजन ऑन करते हैं, एंड फर्स्ट फ्लाइट वो फर्स्ट डे लाइट के साथ वो टेक ऑफ करते हैं। और मैंने वो लाइफ देखी है जहाँ पे इंस्टेड ऑफ गेटिंग अप अलोंग विद थ्रू अलार्म्स, आई यूज्ड टू वेक अप विद द फर्स्ट इंजन इग्निशन, एंड दैट वाज द वन व्हिच आई ऑलवेज एंजॉयड। एंड मैं सारी जो एजुकेशन थी मेरी एयरफोर्स स्कूल्स में हुई, डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, मैंने बहुत एंजॉय किया। और वो एक बड़ा मोटिवेटिंग फैक्टर था मेरे को आर्मी ज्वाइन करने के लिए, क्योंकि मैंने वो सब चीजें खुद ही अपने लाइफ में ऐसी देखी थी जो मेरे को मोटिवेट करती थी। और जो ऐसे ऐसे फाइटर पायलट्स देखे थे मैंने अपने लाइफ में, जो स्प्लिट सेकंड डिसीजन लेके अपनी लाइफ को मतलब वर्कआउट करते थे। So that's the kind of talent, and that's the kind of bravery I've seen with those pilots, and that motivated me to get into the army.
Also, sometimes when we talk to the army or defense veterans about their early life, they always say it was not like everyone that you can have in a civil world. It was more disciplined, it was more regimented. Is it the same for you, or you have something different in your youth story?
I will say that as an army officer, life is very much disciplined, and that is very much required. Discipline के बिना कुछ भी नहीं है. And today also when we see the society, we always say, why don't we train people for their disciplined civil life? They're indisciplined, and army ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ discipline ਸਿਖਾਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ. To tell you a fact, while I'm in corporate, my training which I earned in army, in my metamorphic years of my early life, it helped me in everything, whether it's my management, whether it's my marketing capabilities, whether it's my leadership capabilities, whether it's my entrepreneur capabilities. Every field jo manu army ne sikhaya, I'm learning that, and that's an indelible mark on me. And that makes me stand out anywhere where I ever go.
Sir, while we were discussing, you said that madam, your wife, she's a tigress. So please tell us more about her, and tell us more about your kids. What is the fourth generation, and how is the fourth generation planning to serve the country?
Yeah, so while I said my wife is a tigress, because throughout my army career, every year I used to be, packing my baggage to move out. And she used to the one who used to pack the baggage, come to the next station and settle, and, after 1 year or so, again move out. And most of the time, I used to never go back to the earlier station because of my commitments, my, kind of job roles. And she used to handle everything herself, including taking the TCs of the kids to, getting the trucks and getting it done. That's the kind of lady she is, and really the kind of bold decisions she takes is really very phenomenal. I appreciate her, and frankly, she's a shoulder to shoulder to me even today. She's an educator, GD Goenka, and she is a phenomenal woman. And my son, he is into the aerospace engineering. He's doing from TUDELF. And one part which I like about him is that जब engineering कर रहा सी, he filed his first patent, right? And that is a patent in the aerospace. So and my daughter, she is into the architecture engineering, and from Manipal, Jaipur. And again, she is a very phenomenal girl, very forward looking to do something different from all others.
When in the corporate security domain, and that too cyber, it is kind of again a 24/7 activity. आपको अपने लिए समय मिलता है या नहीं मिलता है, और कैसे मिलता है, और उसमें आप क्या करना पसंद करते हैं?
Like you told, it's a 24/7 job, yes. And आज की डेट जितना cyber attacks हो रहे हैं, you got to be really very active. So it's a very tedious work, but I enjoy it. But if you say that I get time, I don't get a time, but I steal time to work on my something very favorite. I write freelance articles likhna. Like to write for that. I love reading a lot about technology, and I like to guide a lot of students into the cybersecurity. So I have a plethora of students who really are. I'm advising them on the cybersecurity. What should they do? What's the next step? And काफी सारे बच्चे they फायदा भी होया, and they are doing pretty good. And somebody gives a call, sir, I'm doing now this thing. You advised me. That's what it is. That is how these are my kind of things which keep me happy and going.
साइबर सिक्योरिटी, इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी, डेटा सिक्योरिटी, ये सभी ना बड़े सीक्रेट टर्म्स लगते हैं, लेकिन कर्नल इंद्रजीत सिंह का ऐसा कौन सा सीक्रेट है जो कोई नहीं जानता? One thing that no one knows about you.
No one knows about me is I'm a very passionate guy, and Manu sare hard task master कहते हैं, and people used to be very scared of I'm going to charge them with something which is they will be, but I'm very passionate and I'm very warm at heart. तो ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਬੰਦਾ ਗਲਤੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪਨਿਸ਼ ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਵੇਖ ਲੈਣਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਦਾ ਇਸ ਬੰਦੇ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. So I always look for what is going to be his future if I punish him with or I scold him with something. तो वो पोर्शन मेरा, वो जो लाइफ का जो चीज है, nobody knows it, but I always look after their family first rather than he committing a wrong thing. That is one thing which I always look in for the people, and I always like to take care of the people despite whatever they are and however they are trying to work it out.
अगर ये आपकी ऑटोबायोग्राफी एक हिंदी गीत हो, हिंदी गाना हो, तो आप उसको कैसे गाएंगे?
English song है, definitely it's being very close to my heart. And ਜਦੋਂ मैं young age ਵਿੱਚ ਜਦੋਂ academy ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ, and these are very emotional songs when ਤੁਹਾਡੇ parents ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ station ਤੇ ਛੱਡਣ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ and you are going away. So it says that if you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I'm gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles. If you hear the whistle blow 100 miles.
Very nice and very meaningful. So before we close this episode of Jaane Anjane, what would you like to advise about the precautions everyone should take on?
One word I will like to say as a mantra of cybersecurity to be safe today: you follow the 3-2-1 model. That means keep 3 copies of anything, whatever you're doing today, 2 different places, and one should be always offline or offsite, right? If you do this, you will not be touched by any ransomware. Even if a ransomware hits you, even if any cyber attacks hits you, even if you end up losing data, you will be safe. So follow this mantra for being safe in a very cybersecurity environment today.
Precious, sir. Very, very precious advice. Thank you so much. Very precious for a common man to know and learn. So that was Colonel Inderjeet Singh Bharara. What a passionate discussion we had with him. When he talks about cybersecurity, it's amazing the way he speaks. With more such passionate people and their stories, we will come back to you in Jaane Anjane, Meri Kahani Meri Zubani. Till then, take care and stay safe.